Okay, this is a quick visual tutorial on how to run the bot. After you unzip it, put in locations easy to find. I just put it right here on my desktop. You want to open up the unzip file. You want to go config.js, right click on that, go open with, and use a text editor. Notepad's fine. You want to fill out your settings in here. Your public Ethereum address, that's the 0x whatever address you give for people to make payment to you. That'd be here, that's your public. And then the private key to that address, depending on the wallet you have, it's different depending on what kind you have on how to get the private key. But in MetaMask, you just go to reveal private key and it shows you that, and you can put that right in there. Now there's also a spot to put down if you have a seed phrase. A lot of hardware wallets won't give you the private key, so you have to actually put the seed phrase in. Now that's optional, you don't have to put that in there, but you can put both in there, and I guess that helps with the private key deterioration error if that happens, if you get an error like that. The network you want to set, so if you're using Ethereum, it's 1. The Binance Smart Chain is 56. Polygon 138. Or if you're using the base chain, 8453 would go in here. Now in all these settings, you want to make sure you leave the quotation marks on each side of your settings that you're filling in. Don't erase the quotation marks. The max spend, that's how much money you want the program to utilize from your wallet for the bot. And by default, it's set for 0.5. And it seems to work really good on that for the Ethereum network. For the other networks, you most likely have to move it up. But for base, it should work on base too. That's pretty much, base and Ethereum are usually pretty equal. The only thing that benefits from the base is that on base you don't have the fees, the gas fees as much as you do on the Ethereum. But I mean, the Ethereum is more popular, so sometimes you get better arbitrage opportunities on Ethereum. So I'm going to fill in my settings. I'm going to pause the video, fill in my settings, and show you what it looks like when it's running properly. Okay, I saved my settings. Now I go over to run.html. I right click. I go open with. And you can choose any kind of web browser. I usually use Firefox. I love Firefox. Let's use that. And it'll take a few seconds to start up. You see if... Oh, there we go. Sweet. So that's my wallet balance. It's starting to look now. And you want to make sure it says over here, status no errors. And if there is an error, over here in feedback, it'll tell you what it is and how to remedy that. And right now, it's going through the process. These are the coins it's looking to arbitrage. There's 100 different ones there. And it's looking for it right now. Trying to find one. And you just let that keep running in your browser like that. And you'll find them. When I first started out, the wallet balance, I would say, was probably about 0.67 or something. So yeah, all that is from running this just in my browser for about a month. Very helpful and great income. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up